Hi, I hope all's well with you and you're having a lovely day. So, we're going to look at short division. So, we're going to have a look at that first, and then I'll do another video for long division. Let's just make me smaller. There you go. So, I'm just going to walk through 8 on graphics tablets. Isn't particularly easy to do nicely. So, that's 8 shared by 2 people, 8 things shared by 2 people. So let's do the bus stop or short division. 8 shared by 2. The shared by 2 goes there and the 8 goes there. And I always, now this is where it's going to be different. Okay. This is not necessarily needed at the moment, but I'll show it in different, I'll show each one slightly differently, as in give you the different options. So you say how many 2's go in 8, or you could put a sneaky multiplication there. 2 multiplied by something equals 8. 2 times 4 is 8, or how many 2's fit into 8? It's 4. All right. So question 2, 54 shared by 3. Okay. So this means how many 3's fit into 54. If you had 54 balls, and say there were 3 balls in each pile, how many piles would you have? Or you could have 54 balls shared by 3 people, how many balls would each person have? So it depends what that 3 means. Okay. So 54 shared by 3 people. I'm going to put my sneaky times, my multiply sign up there, and we have to say, we think about how many 3's fit into 54. I've actually done this too close for how I normally suggest to do it. And I'm going to put my 0.00. I always do 2 zeros. And if I'm dividing by 8, I tend to do 3 zeros. But I can go through that. I'm a bit shaky today. I don't know why. Okay, how many 3's fit into 5? 1 3 fits in 5 with 2 left over. 1 times 3 is 3. 4, 5. How many 3's fit into 24? Well, I know 3 times 8 is 24, so it fits in exactly. So the answer is 18. Okay, number 3. 205. 205 divided by 5 equals, okay, all right, 205 divided by 5. Now, because it's ending in a 5, the ones digit is 5, and because I'm the divisor, what I'm dividing by is 5, I know it will fit in exactly. So how many 5's fit into 205? Well, 5 times, can I multiply something by 5 to make 2? No, I can't. So I'm going to cross it out and I'm going to take it onto the next digit. How many 5's fit into 20? 4 times 5 is 20. How many 5's fit into 5? 1. So the answer is 41. Okay. So question 4 is 2,970 oh 2,970 divided by 4. Do exactly the same thing. 2,970. I'm going to put 0.00. Okay, and divided by 4. Right, so how many 4s fit into 2? Well, half of 4 is 2, but we're not going to multiply. We want a whole number here. So I'm going to put a 0 and carry the 2. How many 4s fit into 29? Well, 5 times 4 is 20, and 6 times 4 is 24. 24, 25, 26, 27. Oh, no, I can fit 7. 7 4s are 28, aren't they? 7 4s are 28, and one more is 29. How many 4s fit into 17? Well, 4 times 4 is 16, and 1 is 17. How many 4s fit into 10? 2 times 4 is 8, 9, 10. How many 4s fit into 25? Let me just check. Yeah, we have a decimal. So we could say, these are our options. We could say 742.5. Okay. We could say 742 remainder 2. This is our remainder here. Our other option is we could say 742 and then we use our remainder over as our numerator and the divisor denominator. So 2/4 is equal to, what is it equal to? 1/2, that's it. 742.5. And we can see that 1/2 is equal to 2/4. 1/2 is equal to 2 out of 4. 1/2 is equal to 0.5. Okay, so let's do 2, 3, 4. We're going to do one more of those. Okay, so I've got 50,492. 50,492 divided by 8. Okay. 50,492 divided by 8. 50492 divided by 8. How many 8s fit into 5? I can't fit 8 into 5, so I'm going to cross it out and carry it over. How many 8s fit into 50? Well, 5 8s are 40 and 6 8s are 48. 49, 50. How many 8s fit into 24? 3. How many 8s fit into 9? 1. Carry 1, because 1 times 8 is 8 and 1 more is 9. How many 8s fit into 12? 1. Okay, now we've got a remainder here. I'm going to put 3 zeros. 1 times 8 is 8, but that's 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry 4. Ah, how many 8s fit into 40? 5. So, depending on what this is, sometimes you need 3 and sometimes you need 1. Would you need 2 sometimes when dividing by 8? So it'd be interesting to look at that. 6,311.5 or 6,311 remainder 4. That's our remainder. I haven't done that R very well. Or 6,311 and 4, this one, 8ths. 4 is our numerator, 8 is our denominator, and 4 8ths is equal to a half. So it's the same as 6,311 and a half is equal to 0.5, and a half is also equal to 4 8ths. So I think we're going on to long division now. So there's a little bit of short division there. Okay, let me just make me big. Okay, hi. So a little bit of short division there just to help. Yeah, so just see how it goes. And It's just something to get comfortable with. I think if your multiplication tables are okay, that's much easier. So, as I said to you before, if you're just practicing the process, the strategy, have your multiplication tables next to you. Sometimes it's too much to do both. It's better for you to have that there so you can just concentrate on one thing rather than trying to do both, because then that might be uncomfortable for you. All right. Okay. Have a really good rest of the day, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.